Updating your address with PNC Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings section in your account dashboard. This is usually found in the menu options. Step 3. Select Address Update. In the Profile Settings, look for an option that says Address Update or Personal Information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your new address. You will be prompted to enter your new address details. Fill in the required fields accurately, including street address, city, state, and zip code. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new address, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your address has been updated. Make sure to check your email or account notifications for any confirmation from PNC Bank regarding the update. Keeping your address current is important for receiving statements and important communications.